Well, these two teams have fought a difficult path to get here today, and their supporters are here in numbers for this showdown. The cup final has arrived for these two teams. Who's going to take the trophy home?
Well, let's see how the teams line up today. This then, how the home team is lining up. They're playing three at the front. It's a 4-3-3 formation.
So we're off. Which way will this game go?
Here's Van Dijk.
Ronaldo.
Now, this could be costly. Now, De Bruyne.
Quality defending there.
Oh, determined challenge there.
Ronaldo. Bale on the ball.
And that's a goal kick.
Cleared forward by the goalkeeper.
And now De Bruyne.
Well timed and good defending.
Rakitic. What a well timed tackle.
Bale on the ball.
He must score.
Bale shoots.
And that is a fantastic goal. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got that goal. We're back underway. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Pulls the trigger. Oh, the keeper's blocked that one. Ter Stegen, great save. The defender's back on the ball. Oh, well timed.
Bale on the ball.
Oh, determined challenge there. Oh, there's an opening here. Oh, nice finish there. And it's a fantastic finish off the woodwork there, giving the goalkeeper no chance whatsoever. The score 2-0. The next goal will prove to be decisive. Passed inside. Now De Bruyne. He must score. He shoots. Great finish. And this is a world-class finish. Here's a replay of that great goal. It's just one after the other. With this team, the manager will be ecstatic. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
And there's the half-time whistle. Let's hope the half-time period doesn't slow things down.
Oh, he did really well there. Bonucci.
Easy decision here. It's a goal kick.
No cards yet from the referee. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Rakitic. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. Now De Bruyne. Here's Mane. Moving down the flanks here. Played in field. Oh, determined challenge there. Moving down the flanks here. Bale shoots. Well, that's high and won't trouble the keeper. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. forward from the keeper. What a lovely cross-field pass.
Bale on the ball.
Lovely passing here. That's it. Oh, he must score. Mbappe. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Mbappe will be disappointed with that effort.
And the manager's making a change here.
And he stayed onside.
The defender regains possession, and now they'll try and break.
And Ter Stegen has it. Mbappe. He must score.
Referee calls play back.
Let's see what difference the change makes. Vermaelen. Rakitic. Oh, well timed.
What a well-timed tackle. Bale on the ball. Got to admire skill like that.
He's so great chance here. Ter Stegen, great save. That one has gone out of play.
The fourth official has indicated 3 minutes of stoppage time.
They've done it. They've beaten the best to win the Elite Cup. A proud moment for the players and manager as they become Elite Cup winners.